Beautiful mom gave me these for my birthday. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these. I also have the new grill there. The next thing I'm gonna do now is replace this grill. Got the replacement. And this is beyond saving. Clean all this up here. So now let's get these off. These are just pinch. See? Pinch. Be mindful of like that right there. I've already hit it with a scuff pad. So I've cleaned it all up, as you can see. I wish it was a little bit warmer so I could actually pressure wash some of this stuff, but I can't. However, anywhere where there was rust, I've cleaned with a wire brush and then sprayed it down. So these were a direct bolt on. It's actually not for the, which I suspected, for the LEDs. I believe these are negative triggers. So in other words, there's always a positive on the harness, and then you apply the negative, and then that's what actually gives you the trigger. But it's all right. This came with some adapters, so I'm gonna take those adapters, wire to a relay, and go from there. I picked this harness up. So inside of this box, it's actually a decent little harness, and it comes with fuses, connectors. It's actually well built. It's a 180 watt harness, which is what you'll need for the LED lights when running the harness. It's up to you how you guys do it, but what I did was I took out this bezel so I could take the light back off and wire everything properly. And what I'm gonna do is just run it up through here. All right, so this is the original one here, and so as you can see, it's pitted and kind of beat up. I sourced these for about $45 a piece. All right, so this is the old bezel. You can see the new headlight in there. I haven't finished setting that one up completely, but this one's completely done. So this is a brand new bezel, brand new lens, and as you can see, it's a much cleaner look for the truck. All right, so when you put on LEDs on your truck, I just want to explain how I set it up real quick for you guys out there. So what I did was I took the positive out of the harness, and then the negative. As you know, this is a negative switch system, so it's different for this and the Suzuki Samurai. Negative on 86 and positive on 85. Now you'll basically put the white wire. So this is a traditional harness here, so this is usually negative on any other car but a Toyota. On a Toyota, this is positive. So you want to put the white wire here, and then this will be your low beam, and this is your high beam. Let's go ahead and get that light show going so you guys can see the difference now. And there you go. That's the all right, there you go with the LEDs. Super duper improvement with light. So yeah, very happy. Love the transformation. Really modernized the front of the truck.